Okay, everybody's been asking about the generator, so here it is. It's an OAN diesel, water cooled. Here's the tag on it. The 10,000, 10 kW. It's actually a Kubota motor in this thing. The hours it has is right there, 1,058. I'll take this, open this up, you can see inside how clean it is. It's nice. Got the tag, tell you all that stuff, what you're supposed to do. Put this back on, and I'll see if it'll start up. I'm sure it will. Here we go, push the button. There it is right there. Running. Good piece. This is the battery to start the generator. It's been in here. It's a gel cell from an electric car. Been a great battery. I went out here and started it up. Here it is. Thank you.